Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Brave Wallet with Shields integration, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Brave website. Look for the download button for Brave browser. Click on the button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Brave browser. Once the installation is complete, launch Brave browser. Upon opening, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Select your preferred settings or use the default options. Click on Create a new wallet to set up Brave Wallet. You may see a prompt to enable the wallet feature. Click on it to proceed. Set a strong password for your wallet and confirm it. After confirming, you will be presented with a recovery phrase. Write down the recovery phrase and keep it in a safe place. Confirm the recovery phrase as prompted by the browser. With your wallet set up, click on the Brave logo in the top left corner. Navigate to Settings in the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the Shields section. Toggle the Shields option to turn it on. Adjust Shield settings according to your preferences. Return to the main browser window. You can now use Brave Wallet for transactions and integrating Shields. Explore the features available within Brave Wallet to familiarize yourself. Enjoy enhanced privacy and security while browsing the web with Brave Wallet and Shields. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.